Extend biang ya tarik nam tak mat summit ya kan post office Gramin Dak Sevak GDS online engagement special cycle May 2023 te ka tarik kebaring kong kadai nadu tarik jom banai Mei kut kadoi tarik jom banai Jun ten rail extend biang 16 June extend to 23 June 2023. Extended timelines for registration and submission of online application for applying against a notified vacancy in the State Division of Meghalaya, Sikkim, Tripura and Manipur. Tanya ke Meghalaya, Sikkim, Tripura ke Manipur lai porma nadu khandreu hadu apply tarik jong bunai Jun. Teban correction bade markidon gitu kiba kli baklawan pendap te hangnela ai kaporu. Edit and correction window for applicants kandai 24 June to 26 June 2023. Tekitu bakalawan pendap te pila ban correct jing bakala jung pi nadu ka arf saw terik jung najun nadu arf nadu terik jung najun arjar arf line nam ta kene post office GDS Gramin Dak Sevak te kitu bo mende apply te apply no ba adap te kala biang kin abes ke result adin live banai shan make result live banai tam itang kini jemput khule shubun.